This video is for people who have just started trading. So let's say you have logged in onto your MT5. This is our MT5 for PC. So once you have done that, then you now need to know how you are going to use that MT5 application. So this is our MetaTrader 5 application for PC, right? So I'm going to show you the properties it has. So first and foremost, you want to open another chart window so that you can analyze the market. This is a derivative platform, so I'm going to show you where you get the indices. You first click where it's written view, then you go or market watch. You click market watch. When you have clicked your market watch, it will show you the pairs that are available on derivative, right? So here we can start with boom 500 or boom 1000. So I'm going to open the chart window for boom 1000. So this is our boom 1000 chart, and as you can see, we are on the hourly time frame. It will be written here. So let's say you want to place your trade on boom 1000. First and foremost, you need to analyze your market basing on a bigger time frame. Then when you have done that, you later go on to the smaller time frame so that you can see what is really happening. So for instance, here we can all see that the market is moving upwards, right? Which means our market is bullish. And according to our candlesticks, we can see that these are the candlesticks that are showing us that the market is going up. And right now, it is the current candlestick. So it means there might be a chance to enter a buy signal. But before we do that, we have to check on a smaller time frame. If you want to customize this page, what you do is you do a right click like this, then go on properties. This is where we are going to change our colors. As for me, I prefer background white. Then foreground should be black. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button. And if you want to join our group for mentorship, just use the link that is in the description. So on bar down, I'm going to click red. Then blue candlestick, lime again, right? Then beer candlestick, red again. So you can see this is how the market is now looking like. Then you have to remove this grid. Click grid here. You can see that we can now see our market clearly, and it's now more presentable. So here we now have to analyze our market basing on different patterns. So if you want to check those patterns, you can just go on internet, then you search for the forex trading patterns. Then you're going to see the type of patterns you are going to master. Here I'm going to show you how MetaTrader 5 works. So here we can see this is what's happening right now. So you have to change the time frame. You do a right click like this, then you click time frame. So we're going to go on the 1 minute time frame. So I want to show you, these are the spikes. All right. If you want to zoom in or out, you use these buttons. As you can see, it's now looking smaller. Now looking bigger. So basically, that is how you trade using it. If your MetaTrader 5 is not showing you this option, you just click view, then you go on toolbars. Then you make sure that you have ticked everything here, like what I've done now. That is what you do, and it's simple to use. So let's say here we want to trade these small ticks. What you do is, if before you do anything, you have to click this option. This is where you're going to enter your trade. There's a buy, and there's a sell. So when you place sell, it means you are saying the market is going down. For instance, let's say you have entered a sell here, the market continues to go down like this. That is how you make profit. If you enter a buy, then the market spikes like this. That is how you make profit again. So basically, that is how the market moves. Then we have this window. In this window, this is where you place your lot size. When I say lot size, I'm just talking about the amount of risk you are putting in a trade. If you want to know more about the lot size, before you enter a trade, you click and look for the details. Then you see the smallest lot size. It will show you the volatility of that market. So let's say you have placed your lot size, the one that you want to use. right? So I'm now going to show you how you are going to check your trade. For instance, we can try using lot size 3, and we're going to place our trade. I'm just going to scalp a little bit and say maybe the market is going to drop maybe to this level. So I'm going to place my sell position. If you want to put a stop loss, you can put a stop loss basing on this window. You put the number here, then you put your take profit number again here. The numbers you put here are generated on this window. As you can see, let's say you want to say your TP is 18685.2930. You put that number here. So we're going to place our sell here. It will show you that the market is placed the trade. Now, as you can see, market sell 3 boom 1000 index, and it will show you the number, the current number that you are using. Then this is now the trade. As you can see, sell 3 at what? 18708.4680. So this is the current market price, right? So when you want to check the profit or loss of this trade, you just go on view, then you click what is written tools box. On tools box, you just click where it's written trade here. If you want to check your history, you go on here. So here we're going to focus on the trade. We're going to focus on the trade. So right now we can see that the trade is still in loss and it is reducing because the market is dropping, right? So we can just we wait for it to drop to the level that we want it to drop to. So here, basically, this is how you will be trading. So let's say you are satisfied by the profit, or you can say the trade is given you a huge loss. If you want to close that trade, you just press this X, then it will show you this thing. Then you say close. You can see our trade has been closed. We no longer have any running trade. So basically, this is how you trade using the MetaTrader 5. So in case you want to learn more strategies you can use to trade, it's simple. I'm going to be teaching you more strategies. So make sure you've subscribed to our channel and you've joined our Telegram channel where I send most of these strategies that you can use when you are trading. Thank you.